Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to stop sharing location on Google Maps on an Android device. Well, sharing your location constantly can expose your whereabouts to others, including strangers or people you may not want to share your location with. So, by knowing how to stop sharing your location, you can control who has access to this information. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To share your location using the Google Map application on your device, start by opening the app. Once you are in the app, locate and click on the profile icon here. This will open up a menu where you can find the option for location sharing. Select this option to proceed. After selecting the location sharing option, you will be prompted to choose how you want to share your location. You can choose to share your real-time location for a specific period or indefinitely. Okay, once you have set your preferences, click on the share button to start sharing your location. Okay, and then the way to stop sharing your location, follow a similar process. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, navigate to the location sharing option and select it. Then, at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option to stop sharing your location. So, click on this option to end the location sharing. By following these steps, you can easily share and stop sharing your location using the Google Map app on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to stop sharing location on Google Maps on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.